On today's episode of Amazon Finds That Will Blow Your Mind, this is a Ring Battery Doorbell. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, a mounting bracket, all necessary installation tools and hardware, a setup guide, and even a security sticker for that extra deterrent factor. It captures 1440 x 1440 HD video with color night vision for clear footage day and night, and lets you see and talk to visitors in real time through the Ring app. It sends real-time notifications to your phone when it detects motion. It can identify people and packages with advanced detection. It has Alexa integration that works with Echo devices for hands-free monitoring and custom alerts. It has a built-in battery with USB-C charging for easy installation or hard wiring for continuous power. It is weather-resistant and operates in 4 degrees Chaco to 102 degrees conditions. It is easy to install and mounts in about 5 minutes with included tools.
Wait. How many are coming to dinner?
All right, brother. Good game.
Hey, there's a camera right there.
Please leave a message.
Alexa, show me the front door.